So if you've been following me, you know that I'm not the biggest fan of commercial cleaning franchises. But if you have to buy one, there is one that I recommend.
Headed to the top, there ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no more fashion show.
What's up, y'all? AJ Simmons here, founder of the Clean Biz Network, where we help you start and grow your cleaning company. Alright, I help tons and tons of people grow to six-figure level with their cleaning company, and I can help you too if you join us at the Clean Biz Network. So check us out at cleanbiznetwork.com. But today, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about commercial cleaning franchises and why there is one franchise that I do recommend, and it's this one. Alright, the franchise that I recommend is the one that will allow you to get contracts outside of them without them getting any percentages off of it. All right, now typically most cleaning franchises, they have a non-compete agreement in place, and if you buy a franchise through them, then they have the right to get a percentage of any account that you get. Even if you go out and get the contract on your own, sign the agreement and everything, they still want a piece of it, right? Well, I think since I've been doing these videos now for almost a decade and really pressing them about this and even recommending to them that if they just allow people to get contracts outside of them, like it's bad, they already getting a percentage of the contracts that they provide you. So my argument is, well, just allow people to get contracts outside of you, so that way they can have some through you and you get your percentage off of that since you found it. That's right? But if they go out and get it themselves, they should be allowed to have that contract to themselves 100%. And I've heard good news that some of these franchises are starting to allow that. So if that is the case and you have a franchise that you found that will literally let you do that, then go for it. I'm not mad at you for it, especially if you're brand new in the business, you have zero experience, then go ahead and do that. That way you can go ahead and start off with the accounts that the franchise will find for you, get your cleaning experience up, go through that whole spiel, and then once you get through that part and you're like, all right, I'm ready for the whole bag now. Then you get out here and find your own contracts. Now you still gonna need the training. I mean, they still not gonna teach you how to bid on contracts. They never do. They still not gonna teach you how to sell and get your own contracts, what to say when you go into order, all that type of stuff, right? So that's why the Clean Biz Network is this, where we can help you do that. So even if you do decide to buy a cleaning franchise, I still recommend that you join us in Clean Biz Network. You don't need the whole starter kit. We have Cleaning Biz starter kits available. You don't need a Cleaning Biz starter kit. Just get our course, okay? The Cleaning Business Starter course, and that'll teach you every single thing you need to know about starting and running a cleaning company. All right, so it's gonna tell you, I mean, because franchises, they won't even tell you the basic stuff like how to get your LLC. You know what I mean? So you definitely want to come through with somebody like Clean Biz Network that's going to coach you through every single aspect. I mean, your bookkeeping, they won't teach you about that, how to keep your books in order, so that way you ain't got to be scared of tax time. Right? I got that in my course. They're not going to teach you how to open your website, how to get listed on Google My Business, all of this type of stuff, right? So that's why Clean Biz Network is this. Now, another reason why there is one cleaning franchise that I do recommend is if you subcontract for them. So now it's getting to the point where they won't just do business with you if you're a franchise owner of them. There's also franchises out there now which just simply subcontract to you. So they find a contract, they build the customer, it's their contract, but they'll sub it to you for a fee, right? So maybe they take 20% off top, 30%. I don't know what their percentages are, but they'll sub it out to you. Now that's definitely a great opportunity there. I love the subcontract method. If you're new, okay? If you're new, you just need some income coming in, or if you just need some experience. Now, can you make a long-term career out of subcontracting under bigger companies? I highly do not recommend it, all right? Because you want the whole pie, all right? If they taking percentages off the top, that's your bottom line getting cut, because you need enough to go around to pay somebody else to do it. You need enough to pay your employees, right? If you can't pay employees to clean and you out there in the field cleaning, then guess what you're doing? You're working in the business and not on the business, and you cannot scale a business to a large, sizable business if you're working in the business. You cannot clean and think you're going to build $1 million company. It's impossible, okay? It's just impossible. You have bigger tasks to do and you have to run the company. You can't be working in the company. You got to be working on the company, okay? It's just that simple. So that's the only franchise I recommend. Now, there are other caveats out there, like, again, I've always said this. If you are somebody that you don't even have an email set up, if you know that you just simply computer illiterate. All right, you can't do anything that involves computers. If you cannot construct a complete sentence and open your mouth and look a person in the eye and smile and sell yourself in person and dress up and put a decent, professional attire on, then yeah, go with a franchise too and be their problem, right? Let them handle that. But if you know that you are well-spoken, you decent, you know what I mean? You ain't got to be a wordsmith, but you're a well-spoken person, you're professional. If you can send an invoice, if you can send an email, if you simply know how to operate Facebook, right? If you can do the basic stuff and you're teachable, do not buy no cleaning franchise and let somebody take pieces of your money when you can just get out here and get it independent on your own. And if you don't know how, because that's everybody, well, I don't know what I'm doing, that's why I'm going to go to front. Clean Biz Network is this. We're a lot more affordable than they are. Okay? I don't want pieces of your money. I'm not taking percentages of your gross revenue for the lifetime of your business. None of that. I'm here to provide you with the information. You take the information and go get rich off of it and just shout me out if you can here and there. Know what I mean? Let me know that I helped you somehow. And even if you don't shout me out, even if you say kiss my ass, AJ, I stole your information, aha, I don't care. Just as long as you do something and be successful and get out that poverty situation that you in, because that's all I ever wanted was to get out the poverty situation that I was in. I made it out, and I always said that if I ever find a way to get out this situation, I'm helping and telling everybody I know, and that's what I'm doing here at Clean Biz Network. So if you're interested, check us out, cleanbiznetwork.com. And by the way, we also have a mobile app called Calculated Clean. It's available right there in your app store. You can check it out, search that, download it. That's what I got. Talk to y'all later. I'm AJ Simmons. I'm out of here.
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it. Let's go.